Hi guys, today I'm going to take you through how I painted this painting during quarantine about my own situation as well as the whole situation that we're in. So other than you watching me painting the painting from the beginning, I would also explain the meaning behind this painting and why I done it. So I'm basically starting off in the middle of the canvas with a picture of my left hand originally. So why my left hand? So if you didn't know, a fact about me is that I'm ambidextrous, which means that I can use both of my right and left hand. So I'm not perfectly that, because the original meaning for that is you can use both of the hands for the same thing equally. Well then that's really hard and I can't do it. So in my case, I draw and paint with my left hand while write and other things using my right hand. So going back to the topic, why I use left hand. So since I'm using my left hand to be the symbol of me in the art world, I chose to take a picture of me with the left hand so I can draw in the middle of the painting. And after finishing this painting, I could put my right hand onto the left hand in the painting, meaning the me in the real world interacting with the me in the art world. So the reason I did that is because during this time in quarantine, since we're not going to be able to go anywhere, I started to have more time at home to spend more time with art. And as you can see, what I'm doing in the video right now is drawing all different kinds of colors of circles around the hand. And that is supposed to demonstrate the art world. And this is only the first meaning of this painting. Now I'm on to explaining the second one. So what I just explained is the meaning of this painting for myself personally, but the other meaning of this is to the whole world. First of all, the left hand that you could also interact with your hand, meaning even though we cannot see each other in real life, we can still interact with each other using the internet, and not being together doesn't mean that we're isolated and alone. Other than that, the color circles outside of that does not represent our world, the world. It's supposed to represent the world around us, as in the situation, how we're dealing with COVID-19. And I did not arrange the color in any specific arrangement, such as the rainbows. I try to use contrasting color next to each other, indicating the contrast between this world and diversity of what different people think of the situation. So as you can see, I didn't really spend that much time drawing the hand in the middle. I just think it shouldn't be taking over, it shouldn't have too many details. So other than that, what I really took my time to work on is the colorful circles. So as you can see, most of half the video is me painting the color circles, which I found really satisfying as well. And I think this is actually kind of a format that everyone could work on. And if you don't think you can draw the detail hand in the middle, you can always just print out a picture and just stick it somewhere in the middle of the paper. Or you could draw a simplified outline and then start to paint the circles around it. I think everyone could take a chance to work on this and raise awareness for what's happening in this world that will be in the history forever. So this is the finished product. I also posted on Instagram if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're all staying safe. Bye, see you next time.